It's Dorothy and Cinderella!
Hi everyone, we'd like to tell you sorry for Cinderella over here. She was PMSing and didn't take her pills, but she's okay now.
New subject, okay.
Hold on, gotta fart. Hold on a sec. She tends to take the fart thing a little... Oh my gosh, that stinks. Okay. Cinderella! It's okay now. It's okay now. It's okay now.
What was the show about?
We're gonna do stunts.
That was a stunt!
Sorry. We're gonna do stunts today, and I'm gonna show you how. Okay? Now,
I'm getting this on footage.
Now, I'm gonna jump over this beanbag over here, okay? Here I go. Here I go, everyone. Ah!
Okay, here goes. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh, gee. Hey,
We better stop.
we're gonna do something different today. That was pretty dangerous. I think I hurt my back right there.
Whoa!
Okay, we're gonna see how long we can hold our breath, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna use this blanket
Okay.
to help him pass out. Well, I mean, hold his breath.
Okay, here I go.
No worries. Ready? Ready, go!